I'm recording on both things. So now I'm going to do my final coat on this. Remember, I'm doing it with my wrong hand because I wanted to show you. And it's like somebody said, it's not novice, it's novice. How a novice does this. There's no T on there. But again, I'm going to scrape it all down, and I'm scraping it down with my wrong hand because I'm not very coordinated mudding with my left hand. I'm not left-handed, by no means am I left-handed. So the first thing I want to try to do is make sure this angle is straight. So I'm going to coat the angle in first. This is so not easy with the wrong hand. Oh, and by the way, this mud here is very, very thin. Very, very thin, okay? This is not thick mud at all. But I have to figure out how to do this with my left hand because I really don't know. I am just definitely not left-handed. Hence the huge drop cloth that I put down everywhere. But I've never coated this angle this direction before. I've coated it that way down here, but I have not coated it this direction on the top. So I want to make sure that this angle's nice and straight. And I'm going to pull it tight, but I'm also going to try to keep it straight. I'm putting quite a bit of pressure on my knife here, guys. There's quite a bit of pressure done here. And then I'll flip that edge in. I'm going to do this one more time. Honestly, if I was using my right hand with this knife, that really would be done. That would have been done the first time. Now I got to try to take this mud out. Uh-oh. I'm also not used to holding my pan with my right hand. So I want to take that mud out. So bear with me. This is not the way I normally do it. And you will probably even go slower than what I am going if you've never done this before. Because I know what it's supposed to look like. I just, like I said, I'm just not used to doing it. So who knows? First time you do it, you might do way better than me with my left hand. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go back to my 12. Like I just scraped it all down. You just saw me scrape it all down. Now I'm going to go back to my 12. I'm just going to take a little bit of mud on my knife and try to get it to float out. Wow, this is not going very far. You want to see the difference real quick? If I was using my other hand? That's if I was using my other hand. But I'm not. I just did that so I could get the mud on easier. Want to see it again? I think I'm going to have to show it to you again. Did you catch that the first time? I'm just killing myself here. I'm just cracking myself up. Alright, this is going to be a fun video to post. It really is. Because I am just throwing this mud everywhere. Everywhere except where it should be. Alright. Once I get the mud up there, it's pretty good. I can take it off pretty easy. Just getting it up there. Because that's the problem. How do you get it up there? I could get it up there really easy this way. I could get it up there real easy. Watch. There's my right hand. Ooh. And now, let's take it off with my left. On, off. What's that remind you of? Karate Kid. Alright. Mud on, mud off. Ooh. Stepped off the edge of my ladder, or my horse here. Alright, let me try to do this again with my left hand. I'm going to be so happy when I'm done mudding this thing up with my left hand and able to just finish this off. And again, too, up here where this is curved, I'm not too worried about that. That's a video in itself. Matter of fact, since I'm skimming this out today, and this is my final coat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start shooting a video today on how to make a really crooked angle straight. And there's, all right, there you have it. All skimmed out, mud all over the floor. That's a nightmare. Okay, but it is all skimmed. I can sand this now, really, really easy. But if you notice, I did 3 good coats. 3 coats. They're all there. If I do this in multiple videos, I will have them all attached to this one. You will see all 3 of them. Alright, so there we have it. We're all done. You guys have a great day. Same mud. Same pan. This one here I didn't do an angle on it because I didn't have to. But same mud, same pan, different hands. Same knife, just completely different hands. And again, too, guys, professionally, I don't use a 12. This 12 has been sitting in my garage for years. I very, very, very seldom use it. I probably used it to scrape floors. But I figured since I'm doing this, the wider the knife, if you don't really know what you're doing, the wider the knife, the more you can spread this out. So that's why I have it here. Not that I can't use one, it's just, I just don't see a need for it a lot of times. So, and I'm going to finish this one off then. Oopsie. Hey, we don't oops here, remember? No oops here. No oopsie here. And right here. Tomorrow I will sand all of this. It'll be 100% done. I should also probably, tomorrow's Tuesday, I should probably also have the first series of videos up on the pre-fill and the tape coat and top coat. The one on straightening this angle out is going to be a video all in itself, and as soon as I get this skimmed, I'll move the cameras around and I'll start filming that. Alright, so that's it. That's all skimmed. Now understand, I've got 3 coats here, but I used my left hand. I've only got 2 coats here, and I used my right hand. So that's it, guys. Tomorrow I'll sand these, and this series will be done. Yes. Have a good day. Okay, I'm getting ready to sand this. Like I said, I've been working on this patch with my left hand, and I'm going to show you how to sand it now. So let me just move things around a little bit. All right, so I'm going to show you how to sand this. Now, you probably don't want to just go out and buy one of these, but if you do have one, if you do have a sand pole, by all means, grab your sand pole and dust this off really, really nicely. But what I'm thinking is you probably don't have one, but you do have one of these, just a sanding sponge. This one here's got an angle to it. If you can see that far away, it's got an angle to it, and I really like the ones with an angle to it. This is like a medium coarse sandpaper. So, and then you just want to hit the edge. That's all. You know what? Let me try it with my other hand here. You just want to hit the edge. And then I'm going to come in here and clean up this angle a little bit, like this. And then I'm going to hit the top angle. And now if I have to do, if I have to do any more, then just dust this edge, throw another coat on it, just skim it out again. Because I don't want to have to grind this. I just want to hit the edge. And there's a couple of little, couple little things here, but nothing major. And I'm just taking care of it. If you notice this was a different video. I showed people how to straighten this out easily. That'll be on a different video. But I'm going to just come through here, hit some edges, just some nice little edges. Come on down this side where the edges of that is. And if these edges were really thick, where I had to sit there and grind them, skim it again. Throw 4 more coats on it if you have to. You don't want to have to try to pile the mud on this and grind it off. You don't want to do that. So since I've got my sand pole here, I'm going to actually just pull this out just a little bit here. And because this does make it so much easier for me. And that's it, guys. This is done. This is ready to paint. I had a spot here where I was doing this. So that's done. It's all done. I'm going to sand this one now. This is my other one, but it's not going to sand really any different than that just did because I've skimmed them both out. And I put 3 coats on that one, 2 coats on this one, because I used the different hands, and they look great. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.